Vlogmas! I am so excited! So it's 10:52 in the morning. I did not just get up though. It's been a very productive morning. I sat down and filmed my introduction for Vlogmas, and I have just been working on editing that and getting everything all kind of ready. I need to upload that so that you guys will see that this evening. But I am so excited that Vlogmas has begun, as you can probably tell from that cheesy little intro. So it's Friday, day after Thanksgiving. We had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I didn't vlog it. I know there were some of you that really wanted to see my Thanksgiving prep, and I apologize that I didn't share. But we had such a simple Thanksgiving this year that there really wasn't a ton of prep work to be done. I made much less food than I usually do. I did all of my cooking on Thanksgiving Day with the exception of boiling some eggs and pre-baking some pies. Like, it was super easy. We then, yesterday after we enjoyed our dinner, cleaned everything up really well. So my house is in pretty good shape today. I don't have to do a ton of cleaning. A little bit, but not a ton. I have some laundry to do and a little bit of cleaning up here and there, but mostly it's just going to be a lazy day. I did not get up this morning and go Black Friday shopping. I never really go Black Friday shopping. We occasionally will go out and pick up a few things like later on in the day, much later in the day, like in the evening time when the crowds have calmed down. I'm not big into crowds. I don't like crowds. And there's really not a whole lot of things that we needed to buy this year. Christmas shopping for the kids is done. So way ahead of the game in terms of that. So the only thing that I did purchase was some towels from Kohl's online because they had a really great deal. I got like 8 bath towels for 20 bucks, $21 somewhere in there. I just have to pick those up from Kohl's at some point this week. I just kind of bought online and I'll pick them up in the store, but no reason to really go out. It's just going to be a low-key day at home. The kids are hanging out in their rooms. They got up this morning. They had breakfast. We always have leftover Thanksgiving pie for breakfast on Black Friday, so that's what we did. And they're just kind of hanging out. I'm going to finish getting this video kind of up and ready to go. Eric's off at work, so yeah, it's going to be a kind of low-key day. I don't know how interesting it'll be, but we're kicking off Vlogmas. That's a vlog every day from now until Christmas, the good, the bad, the ugly. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Okay guys, so I got my video all sort of locked and loaded on my channel. You know, there's a lot of little things that kind of go into it, especially when you're doing a series of videos and it's going to be every day. So there's a lot of like creating the thumbnail and the end slate and filling in subscription box information and you know, it's just a lot of little things, the editing process, but it's done. It's noon, so that took a good part of the morning, but now I'm going to kind of refocus and work on getting the kitchen cleaned up. I said earlier that we had pretty much taken care of most of the mess yesterday, and we did. There's a few things in the sink though, some dishes, a few odds and ends here and there. I want to get this all cleaned up because I'm going to be making my turkey soup, and I want to make sure that I can kind of clean up as I go and not have a giant mess. So I'm going to focus on getting this all cleaned up. My living room could use a little bit of work as well. I got some laundry to do, you know, typical housewifey stuff, so I'm going to take care of that. And then we're going to start the soup. Alexa, play Christmas music.
The station holiday favorites on Amazon Music.
I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm shortest one. You'll be sure to know.
So that took literally like 10 minutes. I am so grateful to myself for taking care of everything that needed to be taken care of yesterday and not leaving myself a giant mess. Made my life so much easier today. Oh, love it when I get my stuff together. So, laundry's up next. Alright, you guys, so I got the base of my soup done. This is the same turkey noodle soup that I make every year the day after Thanksgiving. I think I showed the whole recipe in one vlog at some point. It's tradition, I make it every year. The only difference this year is that instead of using chicken broth, I'm going to use this Better Than Bouillon, the chicken flavor. I'm hoping it's going to be good. I haven't even tried it yet. But praying that it's going to make this soup delicious. It's only 1 o'clock, so it's very early to be making this soup, but you guys know with soup, the longer it simmers, the better it tastes. So that's what we're doing. In here, I just have onions, celery, carrots, and leftover turkey from yesterday. I'm going to add the water and this stuff, and then I'll add noodles right before we eat it. That's my super easy recipe. Praying, fingers crossed, that it's really good this year. Alright, soup is simmering away. Now I'm going to have some lunch. More Thanksgiving leftovers. This is kind of a hodgepodge of everything that we ate yesterday. There's sweet potatoes, stuffing. Those are roasted Brussels sprouts, which were so good. Some turkey and a little biscuit. I'm going to make sort of a Thanksgiving sandwich for lunch. Yeah. So I transferred my soup to the crock pot so it can stay warm, and we are going out to run a few errands. No Black Friday shopping. We might go to Dollar Tree, but there's not going to be any Black Friday deals there. We just have to run a few errands. I'm going to have the kids get their hairs cut, provided that the place that we go is open. We have to go to the bank, like I said, to Dollar Tree and to the post office. It's beautiful out today. It's almost 50 degrees, it feels like. So it warmed up tremendously, and it seemed like a shame to stay inside. So that's the plan. You guys want to say hello?
Hello. Hi.
That was an awfully grumpy hi back there.
It was a hi.
Alright guys, so we got home from running our errands, and then Eric got called back out to work, which is fine. It's only 4:30. This day is going by exceptionally slow today, which is a-okay by me. At the Dollar Tree, we picked up just a couple things. I got some new taper candles for my little candlesticks so that I could update my centerpiece for Christmas. Don't mind the junk on the table, I still have to clear it off, but it doesn't look pretty with the little ornaments in there. This is a hurricane vase that I made a couple of years ago using stuff from the Dollar Tree. It works perfectly well for my little holiday centerpiece. So I picked up the red taper candles. I also got some more white ones just because, you know, white always works. I had white ones in there for Thanksgiving, so there's that. Picked up a couple of things for an Advent activity, which If you guys don't know what the Advent activities are, we do lots of holiday-themed activities throughout the month of December. Every day in the month of December leading up to Christmas, sort of like an Advent calendar, only instead of like a little piece of chocolate, they get a little activity to do. However, they're older now, so I'm incorporating more treats and stuff this year to supplement along with the activities, because a lot of the activities we've done in years past, they're just kind of getting too old for. But I bought some stuff to do one activity for the holidays. That was a long-winded explanation that probably wasn't necessary. And then I bought some Ziploc bags for my husband's lunches for the week. And I picked up these 2 little makeup brushes because I thought that these were super cute. They look like little mermaid or unicorn horns or whatever. I don't know, they're cute. So that's what I picked up. Also, some of this, because I've been feeling a little rough today, mostly with heartburn. But that was my trip to Dollar Tree. The kids got haircuts. I came home and put the noodles in my soup, and this, you guys, smells amazing. Looks amazing. I cannot wait to eat that. We're still about an hour out from enjoying that, but yeah, yum. So that's what's been going on. Thought I'd check in. I think I'm going to take this opportunity to play some video games for a while. My all-time favorite video game, which is the Ocarina of Time, the Zelda game, actually had its 20th anniversary this week. I guess it was released 20 years ago. I saw it on Facebook and it made me want to play, so I've been playing that. So I'm going to get that set up and kill an hour before dinner. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. A little bit